put this right there. Took this on the 10-minute. Basically, I'm looking at these numbers right here. Total volume and volume delta. That tells me that's a big time divergence right there. I'm not looking at anything else down here, inbox histogram, nothing. I basically went short here. I would have liked to short it up here somewhere. My target, I could put it here, right there at the swing low right there. Problem is, I don't know if it has that great a chance because of the hourly. We have a pattern here, which there was a possibility of one the other day. We just closed above this yellow line here, which is that pattern there. I was expecting it to come down here and retest this to see if it's going to hold the support. If it does, we'll go after this high and we'll go after this right here to complete the pattern. So it was not, I'm going against what I believe the hourly is telling me. But these right here were telling me that that's divergence possibly for a quick trade. So that's why I went short. My target is just above here to see if we get here. So I didn't quite get the entry I wanted. Actually, if I had my way, that fractal right there, I would have entered up here. Actually, right here somewhere around the close of this candle, to me would have been a better entry. Right somewhere around the close of that candle, just below the close of this candle, would have been a better entry for me. So, and I missed it. I got on late this morning, so I'm looking at everything really quick and jumped in. So I'm going to trail this just tiny hair green. I'm not one that leaves my stop way up here when we're in profits. I know that's not a lot of profit, but I mean, profit's profit. I don't mean it that way. I mean that's not a huge windfall, but I'm not someone who likes it to come down here and then turn around and come way up here and take me out. Some people believe you're either all in or all out. I'm not one of those. So, but once again, I was looking at, really quick while this is doing this, I see the harmonic pattern here that I was looking at one the other day that did not work. This one looks like it's trying to work. The yellow line, this fractal right here, is right now is in play. This closed above it. This hourly candle closed above it, so I expected this one to come down and retest this level. If it holds support, we'll go after this high and after this. So I looked at this on the 5-minute and saw it really quick, so I jumped in for a short trade. I don't see this as being a long-term trade. And I took it because this fractal right here, this held as resistance. And then I also looked at the numbers here, total volume and volume delta. That's divergence right there. That is divergence. And then this fractal right here, that also, when this one closed below it, this one went up and retested it. I would have liked to have entered right somewhere right here around the close of that candle. So I would put my target right here at that swing low. So because I believe the hourly is in charge, so I'm pretty sure that we're going to rotate up somewhere here. And I'm just going to trail right there above the middle point of this candle right here. The middle of the candle is somewhere right around here approximately. So I'm trailing to just above the midpoint of that candle. If you want to get an exact, it's Yeah, I'm basically right at it, right there. That's the midpoint of the candle. So I'm trying to give it room to grow. So see what happens. It's tempting to slide this down here, my target down here, but I believe this is a short-term trade on the hourly. That's why I'm leaving it where it is. So, plus we're getting a lot of negative volume delta here, a lot. Comparing this numbers here to this numbers here, and we're having a hard time getting down there. Okay, I'm out. I can live with that. That's a trade I wanted without getting the entry I wanted. So I can deal with that. I'm good with that. So